How to install a ceiling fan.
On today's episode, we'll be installing a ceiling fan. So first off, what I want to do is undo the boxing first. And you can see that the previous fan is already taken down already too. So we already got that taken care of. So I like to also take the old screws that came out of the box, use it for a new bracket. But we would strongly recommend some electrical screws, some brand new ones. You can get these at any hardware store, but I got these at Home Depot.
Okay.
Grab one, grab a couple according to size for the application,
Oh, nice.
and then I prefer to get these washers too. Put them around the screws so the bracket won't fall down. Because some of these brackets, it will slip through. Looks like this one doesn't, but as extra precaution, we'll put the washers on. Slip them through. Got one. Got two.
Excellent.
What I like to do too is get a drill with an extension bit too, in case if we're into any hard angles while putting the fan up. So,
Oh, right.
so line these up with holes. But first of all, before messing with any of this, make sure the power is off. You can easily tell with a multimeter or just flipping the switch on the wall.
Yep, that's the one that's connected.
Yep.
Let me get my,
Generally,
yeah, I guess I'll just go like this. Because I want to get close to the...
Generally, if the switch is off, it should be good. But some houses, the wiring's all messed up and it still has power when the switch is off. Because the switch is wired on the wrong side. Hope that's, okay, that's good. Thought the wire was split there. What I'll do is run the wires through here. And then just get a thread on. This holds screw in place. I know this is a little bit of struggle. It's not in place though, so it's going to be a little bit tricky. Looks like the box isn't the right size. So we'll take this out. As you can see that there is a little bit of extension on the box here too. 2 flathead screws. So if it doesn't fit like that,
So they have another one in the box, right?
I would take the box out and then use those existing screw holes in the box. Just need to loosen it a little bit. One under the drywall here a little bit too.
Oh, probably better go over here.
And you can see that the old fan kind of pulled the drywall off when I took it off.
Yeah. This was, I think they did everything themselves, the people that lived here.
Oh yeah.
Because there was a lot. You could tell it wasn't professional, right? But, of course, it could
Try
be
and be
just
careful
old.
with it. Try and be careful with the drywall. I know it's going to need to be patched later. Take that screw all the way out. Oopsies.
See, you needed me.
Cut.
Retake.
I already put some extra screws inside the box too, since it wasn't really mounted to the wood that well.
Yeah.
It's gonna take that down the way a little bit.
Is that like a generic box for lighting? Or is that the one that probably was with the old fan?
It should be okay with fan.
Uh-huh.
Generally, metal boxes are good with fans, but it is highly recommended that there is one with a brace that goes across.
Uh-huh. Oops.
But generally, get these metal boxes and they're screwed directly into the stud, and it
Oh.
should be good.
Oh, okay. For many uses.
Yep.
Do you need that other one? No, that's the
Oh,
one
it's
you
up
took
there.
out.
But never, ever use plastic boxes for fans though.
Okay.
Over time, those will get brittle and the box will break and the fan will slip out. Or any of those.
Oh, that
hold
would
onto
not
the
be
drywall.
good. Yes.
Yep. Or any of those that hold onto the drywall, the remodel boxes. Never, ever use those for fans either. Or even heavy light fixtures. Since drywall cracks easily, as you see here. The Phillips bit.
Now, let's see. Where did you drill it into?
So this right here is going to be the joist going across. So I put 2 construction screws into the joist,
Uh-huh.
help give it some strength.
Okay. What's the joist? Is that the
That's
plastic part?
That's the wood that goes across that.
Oh,
It's part of the frame of the house.
yes.
So it'll be going onto the frame of the house instead of just the drywall or the plastic box.
I got it. Much, much stronger.
Make sure that's lined up. Let's put this down here so it won't fall. Now find the hole. So that's melted through the box. It's going to bend a little bit too because it has a little bit of leverage from the joist. But generally it's going to hold the weight of the fan. As long as it's under 50 pounds, should be good.
Okay. So you put it through the box
Yep.
to the joist.
Yeah. So kind of see the joist right here too.
Oh, okay.
So it's mounted directly on here, so it should be secure.
If I turn my little flashlight.